Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now, if you're looking for a great mic cable at a great price, highly recommend this one. This one actually comes in a 2-pack and it's fantastic. I've actually been very impressed with the audio quality that comes out of it. And I like it because, first of all, it's 20 foot long, which is perfect. Comes in a 2-pack. And I actually like the blue coloring inside, which makes it look really, really cool. For me, I love blue. Blue's my favorite color. But more than anything, I love the quality that comes out whenever you hear the recording. So it's super easy to use. It's got a male and a female input. So you connect it to your microphone, you connect it to your receiver, and it does what it's supposed to do. Overall, I've been very impressed. Haven't had any issues whatsoever. And I love it. That's my point of view.